So you are black in this, and you have one pawn extra. So if you have one pawn extra,
I
so
am black,
you
huh?
should win. Yeah, because you are having one pawn extra, so you should win the game.
I'll move my king to A7.
A7 is already there. Your king is on A7, his king is on B7, B5, and your pawn is on B6.
I'll go to C7.
We'll go to C7. No, B7 you will go, no? From A7 to B7.
Yeah.
B7. So he'll play the king to B4.
I'm going king to C6.
Perfect. Now he can't come up near your pawn, so he'll go down only. B3. He'll go to B3. B3.
I'm moving my pawn to B5.
Yeah, if you play directly pawn, now then he'll come up again and he'll pin your pawn, attack your pawn. So you should first play the king if you can't play the pawn. If you play the pawn on a C file or 5th rank, so he'll not able to come up on the 4th rank. Push him down to the corner.
I'll move my king to C5.
C5, perfect. Now he can't come on the 4th rank. Now he has to go down only. If he comes on the 4th rank, A4, then what will play? Now this is a mistake for white.
Sorry, what were you saying?
Now he is playing to A4. Now he can't come up. Instead of A4, he can't go anywhere, B4 or C4. So now you have to punish him. Now play the best move.
Where is he played?
A4, A4.
I'll move my pawn to B5.
B5, perfect. And now he'll go again down to A3.
I'm moving my king to C4.
King to C4. Then he'll go to he'll go to A2.
Moving the pawn to B4.
B4, perfect. He'll go to B2.
He'll go to
B2, B2.
I'll move my pawn to B3.
B3. Then he'll go to A1.
Moving the king to C3.
C3. He'll come on B1. Now you have the best move.
I'll play on B2.
Played the pawn to B2 and he has just one square left, that is A2.
Playing the king to C2.
A2, perfect. Now he can't come to the first rank, so he'll go up to A3.
I'll play my pawn and make the queen.
Perfect. And now he'll go up, just one square left, A4. Now which side you'll checkmate?
He's going to run here to A.
Yeah, he's on A file, na? So A file to B file he can't go because your B file is eliminated by queen. So you should not move the queen from B file and you should checkmate on A file only.
I'll move my king to C3.
C3. And if he plays to A3, then what you will do?
Then checkmate. I'll bring to b3. Checkmate.
b3 and second checkmate. With single rook you do no? Single rook checkmate. Similarly.
b4.
No, b4 is not a checkmate. He'll come to a2 then. Single rook checkmate. Suppose instead of queen there is a rook. So how you will checkmate?
I'll come to a1.
Perfect. So this is a single rook. Now if he is going up and instead of a3 he is playing a5, then
I'm bringing my king to c4.
c4. And again he is going up a6.
c5.
c5. Again he is going up a7.
c6.
c6. Again he is going up to a8.
Bring my queen.
Queen to
d7.
perfect. And this is a corner square you have to target. Always you have to target a corner square. h8, h1, a1 or a8. These four corner squares. So we'll practice one more puzzle, endgame puzzle.
Or we'll play game.
Okay. I'll send you the screen. You can arrange the board.
I'll be white.
Yeah.
I'll arrange.
Yeah. In tournament, there is a time control of 5 minutes. So you'll just get 5 minutes for yourself and 5 minutes will be of opponent. And there are 9 rounds, 7 to 9 rounds according to the time. And it's a 2-hour tournament from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on 18th July. He comes on f4 then. G4 if you will bring, then the F file is eliminated. So he'll come on F file. So you have to stop him from coming on F file. So it's already stopped. Now you have to eliminate the G file. Push him to H file and in the corner. In the H1 or H8.